Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're taking a look at CAKES Body. Now these are the latest and greatest viral trending nipple covers. And you may have remembered them from the Shark Tank episode where they went on and demonstrated the CAKES covers and called them grippy, not sticky. Thought that was really trendy and it really did stick with me. No pun intended. Now, I've never worn boob covers or nipple covers before, and I did discover these on the Shark Tank, so this video is not sponsored. But I will say after trying CAKES, I am definitely sold. And I will share that most of the videos on the Fashion Try-On since purchasing them were made wearing CAKES. So, all right, let's take a look at the presentation. So it comes in this really darling box, and I actually store them in this box. It is very sturdy and it will protect them, and it has these really strong magnets, and I mean it's pink and it's just so cute. So all right, let's look inside. Say hello to that no bra feeling. I can attest to this is an awesome feeling. Thanks, love. As a small business, your support is what allows us to grow, innovate, support women's health. XO, Taylor and Casey. Now if you did see the Shark Tank episode, you will have seen their presentation, and honestly it was awesome. All right, click for support, no pun intended. I really love them. All right, so this is how CAKES come. They come in this little darling like velour packet. I also really like their logo that has like the fire on the CAKES. And then this is how they'll show up inside the package. Now it comes with 3 pieces of plastic, as you can see, and that's to protect it on the top layer and then to protect each of the covers inside. So there you have it. So we'll take off the top layer and then we'll see how we can peel them apart. And that is the cake. Okay, so obviously we're not going to do a live try on, but we are going to show you how these work on my arm. So when you pull off the cake, it's going to end up being concave the other way. So this is the sticky side and this is the smooth side. Now you're gonna take the cake still concaved in, and you're gonna place it where you want it to go. So usually you want like your nipple to go right in the middle, right? So you're gonna concave it, and then as I mentioned, it's grippy, not sticky. You are seeing that it's stuck here. So you can see the connection point. It is smooth, right? But it's not making, you know, a line as if you had like something that is going to pull against your skin, right? See how that's making a line? It's not making here. It's really a smooth connection point. What that does is that when I go ahead and pull my shirt down, I mean, obviously I don't have anything to cover there, but you can't see that there is something going on underneath. So that is the beauty of CAKES. Now, I will say I've had these for a few months and they have not lost their rejuvenation. Now I will clarify that over time when you wear these, you do have to wash them, and that's what kind of rejuvenates their stick, right? So if you do feel like they are not adhering awesomely or they're like popping off, just run them under some water with some dish soap, let them air dry, or if you're in a hurry, you can even pat them dry and they should be good as new. Now this video is not sponsored, but I do have a coupon code, which is the Fashion Try-On. Let me know if you try these, if you like them, if you have them, if you love them, if you hate them, all in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.